What's up, people? This is Easy Silent Hustle every day, all day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website, and I'm going to get straight to the point. Let's get into the video.
If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss.
I've already bought a domain name, so normally you will buy a domain name, and if I need to do a video on those steps, I can. But you're going to get a domain name. Preferable, if you're trying to build a business and want your business to grow, you really want a domain that's catered to your business name. So I'm gonna do it on YouTube SEO because I kind of want the content on this page to be based around YouTube SEO, which is pretty much using keywords so Google can find that website for people that are looking for those keywords. Example, if people are looking to search a website pertaining to exercise fitness in Atlanta, some people put in Google exercise fitness in Atlanta. So you kind of want this YouTube channel name, the domain name, to say something similar to fitnessinatlanta.com. And that way that keyword is in that title or the domain, and as well as in your descriptions of your in the description of your body of the website. So let's go ahead and build a website. And this will be on GoDaddy versus WordPress. And I'll do another video on WordPress. Once you hit build a website, you can come to this page. It's going to link you to this page, and you have a personal website, a business website, or e-commerce website, which is selling products online. Of course, they'll do it for you. So are you building it or you need help? But when you come down here to the packages, this is what you're going to do. You're actually going to do GoCentral or WordPress, or have someone to build it, of course. But in this video, in this tutorial, I'm actually going to do it on GoCentral. For this one, the plan is $5.99 a month. And it's easy. You can do this one up under an hour. But when it comes to GoDaddy, which I'm going to do another one, it's a little bit more detailed. It takes a couple of days to get it up and running, about 3 to 7 days. Unless you know what you're doing, it probably take a few hours. But for this video, we're going to go ahead and start with the GoCentral from GoDaddy itself. Let's go ahead and pick a topic. This is kind of how they lead you to, let's see. What's your site about? Pick a topic so we can tailor your site with professional pictures to get you started. Gym, real estate, bakery. So I'm going to put digital marketing, if they have it. Marketing agency. Internet marketing service. I'm going to do internet marketing service. All right. You know the name of your business, event, or whomever, or whatever the site's all about. What do you call your site? Okay, we do not call it ENZ. On this site, we'll go ahead and call it, let's see. I'm actually doing this on the spot. We can call it, let's name it unique social media marketing. Unique social media marketing. All right, let's call it that. And they're going to create a design for you. All right, once you put your name in it, once you set it up and have they ask you what type of website you have, and you say digital marketing, whatever type, if it's food service, put food service, and then your title. So if you don't like your title, you can go ahead and change your title right here by just clicking on it and changing it right here. So that's all you have to do. They already have the layout of the website. All right, that's pretty much the layout, and you can change this layout with just a click of a button that I'm about to show you. If you want to change anything throughout the website, just click on it. It'll take you to that section. Click on it. It'll take you to that section. And right now, we're just on the home page. So you have the home page section, which I clicked on home. You have the header, which is up here at the top. You have the about us. All this is the header. And then you have the about us section, which is right here, down below. And then you have the footer right here. So all you have to do is it's already pre-built. Go ahead and change up the wording. If you don't like what they say, make sure you put your own words. Not if you don't like what you say. Make sure you choose the wording that is beneficial for your business. Click on it. Once you click on it, it automatically comes over here. So, and this is on the home page. All right, so again, I'm gonna go back to the top because all I was doing was clicking, and you'll see this over here change. That's why you keep seeing it change. Click it, change it. All right. So I'm going back to the home page because I want to show you something else. On the themes, you can actually change your theme layout, which is what this whole page looks like. Go ahead and pretty much click on theme. Once you click on themes, you can change the layout of this. So watch me. It's on trade right now. So when I hit trade, it goes to retro, and that's the look of that. Once I do that, modern, it goes to that look. So you could pretty much change the layout by just clicking on it. Okay. Same goes for the color. If you don't like the color, you can change the color from blue to, light blue. And you can see it change as it go. All right. Pretty much anything you can change from the fonts. I recommend you keep the same font because it's already set up so people can view it on their website from their laptop. They can view your website from their laptop and their cell phone, and you pretty much want them to be able to see the wordings very clear. You can change it with no problem if you know what you're doing and know how to make the site look presentable for someone on their phone as well as their laptop. All right, so we had the themes, and now we got the pages. We only have 2 pages, which is the home us and the contact us page. You can add a page if you want to. Add, and you could just new page. It's already on there, link from an external website or a drop down menu. So let's go ahead and hit a new page, and we'll write. I'm gonna do about us again. I'm gonna do services. So if you want to put a page that says services, go ahead and hit add services. Show in navigation. Show in navigation is right here. Show in footer, of course, it'll be at the bottom if you choose to turn it on, which is down here. And then do you want members only to see this particular tab? So if I show it down, if I turn it on, then it'll be in the bottom of the footer when we hit publish or when we hit saved, okay? And I'm gonna create the page. And there's the page right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit add a section. It's pretty simple. Find what you want your layout to look like. So if you want another page, go ahead and find. If you want a gallery, you want a blog category, online appointments, video. They already have certain ones that people already use, which is your recommended section. You have some where you just want to write content. You want photo. They got other options. About us page. Let's see if they got services. LMO. Okay, so they don't have services, but if you need a privacy page, which you do, you have the menu list. So again, you can change anything. If you have a store, here's the basic part of just setting up the menu page. Okay. Let me just put one on here so I can show you all. Site content. I'm going to click on here. All right, and there's the page. It's saving. Let me show you how it works. Detail for your service if your customer does this. All right, again, click on it, change it. That's what this is over here. All right, I'm going to go back to the home page by clicking this home button. Let me show it again. Let me click here. All right, so if I click here, I'm back on this page trying to change it, and I'm done. So if I'm done with this, I want to hit the home page. I'm going to go back and hit this home button. Once I hit this home button, you can actually toggle through here for whatever page you want to change, or you can click pages. So you can either hit home, contact, or services to change pages, or you can go over here to the part that says pages and change it. Me, I just think it's easier to hit the home button so it'll take me back and I can change it. Let's see what else we got. So that's on pages and how to set up this pages. Let's say you don't want that page, you don't want the second page, just go ahead and click on the 3 buttons right here. Click right here and hit page settings, delete page, view settings. So you can do everything. You can duplicate this page. You can delete this page. So if you don't want this page, just go ahead and scroll down and hit delete. All right, so let's go back to the home and go down to the next one. We have appointments, and that's only because I have the book now on mine. Appointments will be the same way. So GoDaddy has an option where you're able to call your service, name your service. Service name, you could say digital marketing, YouTube digital marketing. Let's go with YouTube digital marketing, YouTube SEO. YouTube SEO pricing, free, custom, or whatever. So we're going to go pricing and YouTube SEO $60. 1 hour duration, and you'll describe your business. Learn how to build your brand on YouTube. Using SEO marketing is the best technique in 2018. All right, so once you go down here, write a little small description. Service location, business location, other. More than likely, it's probably online or something, but you can put your business location, the customer's location, where you're going to their house, provided by the customer, where y'all go, business location, or other. I'm going to select other, and I'll probably put the word phone. I'm not even going to put in require customer to book in advance. Yes. Me preferable, I'll probably do the last one needs to be within 2 hours, because if I got something to do, I can call them right quick. Buffer yourself time after appointments. And this is a whole nother video right here. This is a whole nother video. I think you might have to, yeah, I think you have to put something. When this is not grayed blue, you have to put something in there. So let's put phone. Give yourself time after appointments. And so I need to be about 30 minutes interval on appointments. Save, so I can get that information. So now let's go to next. What days? And again, this is another video. What days you're available? Go ahead and select your available time. Eastern time, 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. And you can say Saturday and Sunday off, or change the hours to, let's say, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Sunday, let's go with 1 p.m. because a lot of people go to church, so you pretty much want people, after they go to church, 1 p.m. to 5. And then click next. All right, business location. Go ahead and put your location or whatever. And down here where it says customer reminder, you want to make sure you email the customer and text the customer when you want to send a reminder. 1 day, 2 days. Make sure you do 1 day. 1 hour. And then you want to send one maybe 15 minutes before. Let's go with 30 minutes before. Let's go with 15 minutes before on the text. All right, so you're going to send a reminder in advance 1 day ahead of time, 1 hour before, and 15 minutes before. All right? And these are sending texts and emails to the client once they book with you. Confirm language, English, and the date format, how you want the date to look. And that's fine. You can change it if you want to. If you need the month, day, and year, just change it. All right, require full payment when booking. Do you want them to require the full payment when they book, require a deposit, pay in person, or send an invoice? So if you're booking online, you kind of want them to go ahead and pay ahead of time. I'm going to stick with pay in full. You'll connect with PayPal or Square. I think both of them are very good methods to use. All right, and we're just going to hit set up later, okay? And if you preview and publish, I don't want to preview and publish it yet. So with that being said, I'm going to go back to edit site because I was just showing you how to do that part. All right, so those are the quick ways to build a website. Again, it's already pretty much pre-built and so forth. Once you're ready to send the website out, go ahead and hit preview. You can preview your website. You're going to preview it. Make sure it looks good for the cell phone as well as a laptop. Make sure it looks good when you change these pictures and you change your pictures. Make sure before you hit publish, make sure you check out the layout and it looks good on both sides. Okay? Other than that, go back to edit or hit publish. All right, this is Easy Silent Hustle showing you how to build a website on GoDaddy. from Go Central. Like and subscribe below. Hit that notification bell so you can see that next video. And we out. Peace.
Silent hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy.